Stop buying mass-produced garden plastic. Your soul-soothing partner isn't found in a catalog. It's hidden in the funky junk you already own. Today, I'm revealing senior designer secrets to turn discarded materials into breathtaking garden art. Let's perform some material alchemy. Hello, my beautiful community of mindful creators. I'm Beki, and welcome back to Beki Décor. In our hurried lives and overcrowded cities, we all need an inner tranquility that only a garden can provide. If you've been looking for the ideal gardening layout but don't want to break the bank, this masterclass is for you. We are decoding colorful and creative gardening ideas that blend sustainable artistry with whimsical design. From DIY potting benches to upcycled masterpieces, I'm showing you how to build a green paradise that reflects your unique lifestyle. Let's get creative. The Green Revelation Tips 1. The Soul-Soothing Partner, Biophilic Intent. We begin with biophilic intent. Plants aren't just decor, they are soul-soothing partners. In 2026, we don't just plant, we curate. The first designer secret is creating a layout that eases your need for tranquility in a hurried world. The Green Revelation Tips 2. Material Alchemy, the funky junk rule. One person's trash is a Beki Décor treasure. By reimagining the potential of discarded objects, we perform material alchemy. This is the art of seeing the architectural skeleton in a rusted spring or a weathered crate. The Green Revelation Tips 3. The Potting Bench Blueprint, Functional Artistry. In segment 3, we build the bespoke potting bench. This is your garden's command center. By using household materials, we create a piece that has industrial integrity and professional-grade function without the designer price tag. The Green Revelation Tips 4. The Color Revelation, Vibrant Narrative. Gardens need a vibrant narrative? We are using bold, saturated colors on our upcycled items to create visual energy. This isn't just paint. It's a way to guide the eye and create show-stopping highlights in every corner. The Green Revelation Tips 5. Whimsical Curation, the funky junk pivot. Add a dash of whimsy. Using funky junk items to create unexpected statues or focal points adds architectural depth. It's about thinking outside the box to breathe new life into things the world forgot. The Green Revelation Tips 6. The Sustainability Shift, Eco-Artistry. We specialize in eco-artistry. Repurposing unwanted objects is more than cheap. It's environmentally friendly and fascinating. This mindful stewardship is what gives a garden its heart and soul. The Green Revelation Tips 7. Spatial Integrity, the Small Space Oasis. No matter the size of your area, we master spatial integrity. Whether it's a quaint patio or an expansive lawn, we curate layouts that capture your unique lifestyle, making small spaces feel like a breathtaking destination. The Green Revelation Tips 8. Atmospheric Curation, Luminous Shadows. Nighttime design is about luminous tranquility. Tuck warm lights into your upcycled garden ornaments to create shadow architecture. This turns your green paradise into a radiant nighttime sanctuary. The Green Revelation Tips 9. The Negative Space, Finish, Compositional Continuity. To make funky junk look high-end, you must master negative space. Don't clutter the soil. Give your upcycled masterpieces room to breathe so they maintain their architectural weight. Before you go and start your next Green Paradise project, I want to say a huge thank you to this mindful community. Every time you rescue a piece of junk and turn it into art, you're helping the planet and your own soul. If you're ready to build the potting bench, or try some funky junk styling, tell me in the comments. Hit that subscribe button, and let's keep weaving our stories together. Happy decorating! Remember, your garden is a testament to your infinite potential for peace. When we find treasure in the trash, we learn to find beauty in the overlooked parts of our own lives. Trust your material alchemy, create with intent, and build a breathtaking sanctuary that reflects